Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am unboxing this big box right here, and this is a grow light inside here. So let's find out what this grow light looks like in person. So let's start opening this box. Take this out from this box. Pretty heavy. There you go. Oops, this one. This one off. There you go. Alright, so what do we have here? We have, first look at this, user's manual. Alright, that's good. It's a thick manual. So, here's what's inside here. Alright, and also have a French manual right here in the middle. Okay, so let's see what this comes with. So this is its hangers. So that's good. It comes with the hangers and also a timer. So it has a timer, which is good because I like having a timer, especially in this patio here. I like to have it set with a timer. So let's take this grow light out, and also it has this cable so you can connect multiple lighting. So let's see. Let's open this up. Very heavy. Take the foam out. So this light is foldable, friends. So let me just sit it on the table properly first before I take things down. And I found the screw right here. So it has a service card as well. So I think it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is good. And here is this grow light. This is very heavy for me. Now let's look at what these things are. I actually also put back the screw that came earlier that I found in the box right in this corner here for the hinges. So these are the 2 hinges when you open it, and just make sure to make it tight again. The hinge on this one too when you set up your light the way you want it, and it is foldable up to 180 degrees. So I like it that it is dimmable, and this is the box type controller for convenient dimming. So you can easily adjust your lighting the way you want it depending on your plant type that you have in your growing area. Whatever plants you're growing, you want it minimum lighting, you can adjust it up to maximum level. And here is also the RJ connectors, which also this is where you put them up. So you can use that up there. So this is the also the manual driver right here. So I'm just also learning on this light here, friends. So I like it that it is dimmable, and this adjustment is, like I said, it's 0 to 100%, just the way you want it adjusted. And also this you can see inside here in the back right here, this is actually the quick heat dispersing metal aluminum together with 4 slim cold bars. It has this 4 bars right here in the back. Let me just open it in the back right here. Those are the 4 bars you have right there. And this creates less heat, use 50% less energy than the older plant light. So the whole plant grow light, friends, is waterproof, which is perfect because this is where I'm gonna put this in my patio area. So I like it that it is waterproof and very helpful in my area right here where I'm intending to put this. So no need to worry actually about humid planting, because you know it's always humid here in Florida. So this is perfect to where I'm intending to use this light. And then let's see the front. So right here is where it is. So right there. So this is where you adjust the hinges. On each side right there is another hinge, so you adjust it to where how you want it opened up. But for me, I'm just gonna lay it flat just like that. Open it all the way to where I'm gonna hang this light. But I'm gonna need my husband to help me hang this because it's gonna be in a very tall spot in our patio area. So I'm gonna show you how it looks and test the light, and then I will also update you soon. So we'll see how it goes. Here you can see these are the hangers. I attach this sides here, right there, and also right on the sides right here. The sides, it has now hangers attached. So we're going to prep this to hang up on the top of my plant wall. Here is the Growstar MN-W3000 LED grow light bar right now hang right where my plant wall is. My plant wall size is 8 by 8 feet. We have this hung right off center because this side of my plant wall gets enough lighting during the day, while this one right here doesn't get enough lighting. Now with the grow light set up this way, it gives enough lighting all the way down through here because we actually hanged it a little angled like that. We angled it that way it would give enough lighting all the way down through this area right here. Now look at the chains that we use. We did not use the hangers that it come with. We used these middle chains, that way we could hang it the way we want it, angled just like that. And then now this is shining at 75%. Now let's see how it goes with 0%. That's 0. Now let's do 25. That's how much light you get. Now let's do 50. Then we go slowly to 75. Notice the color of the neon. Now let's go with 100%. That's how bright it is right there at 100%. See? And let's see how it looks down where the grow light is. That's 100% right there. So let's go back what the grow light looked like. Now that is 75% right here, 50 and 25 right there. Now let's go back to where I want it. I want it shining right there. I want it on a 75% brightness. So that's it. That's how it looks. This is where the timer is right there, already set up. I set it up for 12 hours. Alright, now I am off the ladder. I was on the ladder earlier because this plant wall is so tall and this grow light is set up on the top of the plant wall. I am so thankful to my husband for helping me set up this grow light out here. Now here is what it looked like. Right there, it is now giving enough brightness to my plants all the way down to the bottom right here, and it does makes my plant look so beautiful with the light that it is shining through to the leaves. It does makes it so stunning. It gives its beautiful colors. Look at how pretty they look like with this lighting. It is so beautiful. I will update you soon, friends, on how this looks. Thank you so much, Growstar, for this amazing lighting. I really do like it, and I think my plants are gonna love it. I will update you in a month and see how this plant grows with this grow light. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching. Happy planting. Bye bye.